Hi, I'm Natalie with Eminence Organic Skin Care, and welcome back to another episode of In the Mix. Well, today I'm here to share one of my favorite products and also to share with you the multiple different cool ways you can use it. And now I'm going to tell you what it is. Facial recovery oil. We love this. It's endearingly called liquid gold here, as I'm sure some of you have already heard me talk about it before. So I wanted to share some cool things because some people ask me, how else can I use this product? We get quite a few questions on it. And even in our marketing materials, we wanted to share some of these interesting things. So for one, what about our neck area? So when we think about the neck and the chest or the décolleté area, this can be a very delicate area to take care of. Well, the facial recovery oil is excellent because of the herbal ingredients will really help with bringing down any dryness or any redness that we can see in this area. So it's quite nice to use because it absorbs very quickly and it leaves a really nice finish. So a couple drops and just press it into the skin. And second, I don't know if any of you have ever experienced this, but sometimes we can get these little bumps on the top of our arms up here, and it's actually known as keratosis pilaris, and it can be quite annoying for some of us who have that condition. It brings, it gives that appearance of redness, and you get a very interesting texture, so it can feel a bit dry and bumpy. So we'll find that when you just take the facial recovery oil and you can just press it into the area, you're gonna find that it's really gonna help to smooth and soothe it. So it actually keeps it very hydrated and moisturized, so minimize that feeling that you have of that dryness, and also a little bit of redness that you see there as well. Believe it or not, when I'm using this, actually when I'm pressing it onto my face, I always take a little extra time and I press it over the top of any of those crow's feet or those little lines that we get, or those expression lines from experience in our lives, if we want to say it that way. And the reason why is we also have the botanicals and the herbs in there too. They're really going to help work for you in that area. Application-wise, I usually put my eye cream on first and then I press in the facial recovery oil afterwards. Another great place to put it, as you see my hands are up here right now. Any of you who have dry cuticles, and I'm just going to take advantage of this moment right now. I just take a little drop here, massage it between my fingers, and just rub it into my cuticles. So this is also a really great companion. We have the wildflower oil as well, so we can use that first maybe in the daytime, and then at night when things get really, really dry or irritated from working all day, the facial recovery oil will definitely help that area a little bit extra for you. So that's how I would go ahead and use that. So we'll tidy that up there too. And last but not least, since the weather is perking up and some of us may be in bathing suits, or when it's cooler outside, we're out there going on those hot holidays, we may notice a bit of texture change in our legs, which is known as cellulite. We also find that the botanical and the herb blends in here really help with the circulation and really bring down some smoothness and hydrate that area. So really helping those problematic areas that we see known as cellulite. So I hope this helps. This is just some cool, fun little things to share about how we can use the facial recovery oil if you do have it at home, and some of my favorite ways to use it. So I hope you really enjoyed this new episode of In the Mix with our facial recovery oil as the star. And if you want to see more of these, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And after you do your subscription, there's also a little bell on the side. So if you want to be alerted for some of these great videos in the future, just give a click to that as well, and you'll know when the next ones are coming. Well, again, I'm Natalie, and I hope to see you next time. Take care.